You know, people come in and they ask that all the time. They're like, what is your favorite motorcycle in here, Shasta? My favorite's my bike, you know, the very first one. It's a shiny little black bike that looks really fast. I would describe this little Honda as a little rocket. My name's Shasta Smith, and I own the Vintage Monkey. The Vintage Monkey is a hybrid of a historic motorcycle exhibit and venue, and we also have one of the largest restoration shops for antique and classic motorcycles here in the state of California. I actually started riding when I was 16 years old. When I first started riding, it was more for the excitement factor of it. You know, I was a teenager, young, but, you know, in the beginning stages of motorcycling, I was very much a loner. There weren't any women riding. It all started a little over a decade ago, and I would be working on these motorcycles in my own garage. And a friend of mine used to say, you know, Shasta, you should show people what you're doing. You know, maybe post a photo or talk about what you're doing. So that's when I started sharing it with people, and people became very engaged with it, and it just took off. I now have a 2-year waiting list for restoration of classic and antique motorcycles. The race number 5 has a big significance to me personally. I put those on all my personal motorcycles because it's reminiscent of the time when I first fell in love with a vintage motorcycle. The 1972 175 that I have is one of the first vintage motorcycles I ever owned. You know, it's quick, it's agile, it turns corners really well. I get a real kick out of riding it because I love to see other people's expressions. It's a shiny little black bike that looks really fast. And without that bike, would the Vintage Monkey not be here? Gosh, maybe not. There's always something that we run across in life that was an inspiration to catapult something else. And that motorcycle was the inspiration to catapult where we are right now.